This time we're going to start with some numbers in the 2's complement format, and we're going to see what they look like in decimal. So my first number is 27. If I write this in binary, it will look like this. Since the first bit is a 0, that means that this is a positive number. So I can just read off the bits, and that will be the magnitude of my number. In this case, I have a 32 plus 7 gives me 39. And that is the value of my number in 2's complement. 27 corresponds to 39 in decimal. For our second example, we have FFDA. Which looks like this in binary. In this case, our leading bit is a 1. That means that we have a negative number here. So I can't just read off the bits. I need to apply the 2's complement operation to this number to get a positive representation. Then I can read the bits from the positive representation. So our 2's complement operation says that I should flip all of the bits and then add 1. So I've flipped all the bits. Now I need to add 1 to this. So there is the positive version of FFDA. Now I've got 32 plus 6. That gives me 38. But since I had to apply the 2's complement operation, this is a negative number. So FFDA corresponds to negative 38 in decimal. Our third example is 1C. And that looks like this in binary. Because the leading bit is a 0, this is a positive number. So I can just read off the value of these 3 bits, and that will be my solution. So I have 16 plus 8 plus 4. This gives me 28. And since the leading bit was a 0, this is a positive number. So I get positive 28. My last example is FFC3. If I convert that to binary, I get this number. Because the leading bit is a 1, this is a negative number. So I need to apply the 2's complement operation to get a positive number that I can read the bits from. 2's complement operation says flip all of the bits and then add 1. So I'd have a 0 here. 0 plus 1 is 1. So there's the positive representation for FFC3. And now I've got 32 plus 16 is 48, plus 8 is 56, plus 4 is 60, plus 1 is 61. So the positive representation says that this is 61, but since I had to apply the 2's complement operation first, I actually get a negative number. So this is negative 61 in decimal.